Today, part one, viral TikTok videos. Now, this is not viral across the board TikTok. This is my personal TikToks that went viral.
It just blew up. So crazy.
And I say viral, over 1 million views a piece. And every time I post them, they hit. My name is Cleansnob. I'm a 30-year professional housekeeper, and I'm here to help you. The one at the end got 7.8 million views.
Viral video number one, use rubbing alcohol to clean glass mirrors. 70% rubbing alcohol leaves a streak-free cleaning glass and mirror. The best part is it disinfects in 10 seconds. So you're not only cleaning the glass, you're disinfecting all the handles and everything. Look how fast that cleans it. It cleans chrome. Use it on cell phones, and I said 10 seconds it disinfects. A lot of professional housekeepers use this. Don't believe me? Well, just test it and see. Cleans the shower glass just wonderfully. But that goes to a second tip, because every time I do this, people ask me, how do you get a spray bottle into an alcohol bottle? Most caps are universal, so you can take off the lid of the alcohol bottle, get a spray bottle, spray sprout, and add it to your alcohol bottle. It's that easy. So this is a great tip for all your other items that you want it to maybe squirt or spray. You just interchange these lids because 80% of them fit each other. Voila!
I am your virtual housekeeper. Ask me anything. Ask me in the comments. I would love to help and answer your questions.
Viral video number two, this is organizing. How to use your old coffee creamer to help you organize your pantry. These are so perfect to keep everything organized. All you do is take your coffee creamer, clean it out, peel it up, and bam, you have containers. They're clear so you can see what's in it. They seal and they pour out super easy.
Hit that bell, like and subscribe if you want to know part two.
This is number three viral video. It's about bed sheets. This was extremely controversial, but this is the way it goes. With patterned sheets, you first have the fitted sheet. The top sheet, the pattern does not go up top. The white side of the pattern goes up top. So you flip your top sheet over so the pattern is facing up like this. That way, when you put the blanket on there and you open up your bed, you are climbing into all pattern. You hide the pattern when you put it facing up. So put the pattern facing down, and that way it's prettier. Plus, this side is softer too. Apparently, a lot of the newer people don't even use top sheets. And some people learn something. And want cleaning tips? Well, watch this. These are just a few. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate your time. Thanks.